mindful movement.
Hello everyone, welcome to Mindful Movement channel. As we know, Valentine's is around the corner. So, fellas, I want to help you out this year. I want to I want to give you some ideas what to buy for your lady without breaking the bank. So take a look. I'm assuming these days a lot of women are into skincare, so I decided to go to Dollar Tree and buy some skincare items, like some skincare body stuff. So um also I went Walmart. So if you guys notice it, my content is all about simple, short, on budget. So I went Walmart and I decided to buy 97 cents um 3 bags, and I bought $1.20 from the tree. So I'm gonna show you what I bought so that we guys can get some ideas for your lady. Or for it could be your lady, could be your daughter, your mom, your sister, someone you love. And I also bought this. It's 97 cents. It's a trip bags, but it can be like this. So I bought body butter, some chocolate, lip balm, body cream, Dove, facial serum. I've used this personally. So, like it works. It makes my made my skin smooth. And then I like hair clip, so I'm assuming whoever you give to, she will love this. And then also some chocolate. So, so this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Until next time, bye.